In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in Zoho Projects. We'll walk through the basic process from the moment you're inside Zoho Projects, so by the end you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect on the screen. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Projects account and that you're on the main dashboard. From here, look toward the main navigation area. You'll see an option labeled Projects. Go ahead and click on Projects. This takes you to the Projects section where you can see all the existing projects in your portal, along with any that have been recently created or that you have access to. Once you're on the Projects page, look for a button that says New Project. This is usually located near the top of the screen, often on the right-hand side. Click on New Project. This is the starting point for adding a completely new project into your workspace. After clicking that, Zoho will present you with options. You can either create a brand new project from scratch, or you can choose from existing templates. If you already have standard project structures you use often, templates can save you a lot of time by preloading tasks, milestones, and other settings. If you're just starting out or your project is unique, choose the option to create a new project. If you see a template that closely matches the kind of work you're doing, feel free to select it instead. The main difference is that templates will autofill some details for you, whereas a new project lets you define everything manually. Once you choose between a new project and a template, you will need to follow the on-screen prompts. Zoho Projects will guide you step by step. Typically, you'll be asked to enter a project name, and you may also see fields for a description, start date, end date, and project owner. Take a moment to fill these out clearly because they help your team understand what the project is about and when it's expected to be completed. You may also be asked to configure basic settings like privacy or who can access the project. Review these options carefully to make sure the right people are included. When you're done reviewing and filling in the required details, confirm or save your changes. Zoho will then create the project and take you into the project workspace, where you can start adding tasks, assigning team members, and tracking progress.